The Rooney Ranch visual analysis provides an outstanding example of how recent innovations in spatial analysis can aid in siting development to minimize visual impacts. These kinds of analyses would have been unimaginable before the advent of computer-based GIS technologies. Our fundamental goal was to protect the public's views to the surrounding landforms while simultaneously meeting landowner development objectives for the property. The outstanding topographic feature of this property is the sandstone hogback or ridge at the western margin. As a compromise between development objectives and community concerns, we decided that we would strive to keep the upper two-thirds of the hogback visible from observation points along the adjacent roadway. To accomplish this, we selected observation points along the roadway at a horizontal spacing of 100 feet and situated a virtual viewer at a height of 5 feet above local terrain. We next calculated the geometry for each sight line that left the upper two-thirds of the viewshed unobstructed. This was a complicated feature that varied significantly with viewing orientation. Once we knew where this two-thirds line fell for an observation point, we could determine the building height that could be accommodated by this geometry. From any location on the property, the building height accommodated by the two-thirds line varied from one observation point to the next. Our final allowable building height for any property location ensured that this upper two-thirds of the viewshed would be unobstructed from at least 95% of the viewing locales. Consequently, our analysis provided the landowner with a blueprint for the allowable building height on any portion of his property. We see this analytical exercise as a significant tool for balancing private property rights and broader community objectives for visual resource protection.